Good morning and Assalamualaikum. I'm Wan Muhammad Syiehab bin Wan Muhammad FAIZ, my matrix number 1201341. I'm so pleased that you could join me today for my video presentation about my research design. Before that, for my beloved lecturer, Dr. Zaini, I'm so appreciated the way you supported me finishing this task. Your help is greatly appreciated. May Allah bless you with His blessing. Amin. Alright, dear friends, my title for my research is Prophetic Parenting in Sahih Bukhari, a thematic hadith study. What is the thematic study? Generally, thematic study is a way of organizing information based on specific themes or topics. In the context of hadith literature, it consists of two groups. First, a group of authors group a collection of hadiths in a specific theme or one particular hadith with a certain theme. The second group consists of scholars that group the Sharah al-Hadith in a specific theme. Similarly, in Tafsir Mawdu'i, thematic study entails explaining verses of the Quran that revolve around a specific subject or title. This approach considers the sequential order of the verses, provide information about the context and the cause of revelations, Sababun Nuzul, and compares them with relevant knowledge from other fields. Alternatively, we can conclude thematic study was structured based on themes on a specific topics, and the author must collect evidence surrounding the themes. Okay, back to the topic, Prophetic Parenting in Sahih Bukhari, a thematic hadith study. Here is research objective. Let's take a closer look. The first one, to extract and compile the hadiths about prophetic parenting based on Sahih Bukhari. Second, to analyze the approach of Prophet ﷺ towards parenting based on the hadith in Sahih Bukhari. And last one, to conduct the thematic analysis about prophetic parenting hadith based on Sahih Bukhari. Right. For the sample for this research is collection hadith from Sahih Bukhari. Moving to research methodology. Based on the three objective outline, this study is qualitative in applying data collection methods and data analysis methods. Therefore, from the research aspect, for method data collection, there are several ways appropriated, such as literature study methods and extraction of hadith. Alright, how do I collect the data? Literature studies are efforts made by the author, me, to gather materials and information and research data to get the idea of study problems. This method is also applied the method of data analysis, which is collecting data from by referring to books, articles, and written materials, as well as information from primary sources such as the Quran, the Sahih Bukhari, and the secondary sources too, such as published books, journals, dissertations, theses, and the like. This reference consists of English, Malay, and Indonesian language as well. Alright, then how do I collect the hadith? Before I'm going to extract the hadith, I need to identify first keywords about prophetic parenting. The keywords about prophetic parenting by using semantic field theory, SFT. Alright. The semantic field theory, SFT, according to Nur Farhana Ahmad Ghaffar, is a theory used by scholars as an attempt to understand meaning. It combines one word in one common group. This theory is formed from the relevance of the meaning of words that are intertwined with each other. Alright, to extract hadith, this study used the semantic field theory, SFT, for the word tifl in Arabic, means children. According to SFT, the interpretation of hadith not only involve hadith containing the word tif alone, but synonyms, antonyms, hypernyms, and meronyms of the word will also be used. When extracting hadith and considering synonym, antonyms, hypernyms, and meronyms related to the term tifl, which means child in Arabic, this is the following semantic words that can be explored as the table here. Alright, I choose one example from synonym, the word saghir. The word means small or young. It can be used to describe a child. Alright, the other one example from hypernyms, the word sabi. It refers to a young boy too, but typically before reaching adolescence. Alright, from all of these semantics words, it provides different aspects and variation related to the concept of child in the context of Hadith. By considering all of these, one can explore the various dimensions and characteristics associated with children as mentioned in Hadith. Next, using all of these words, the search for this Hadith Sahih Bukhari could be carried out by using the Maktabah Syamilah software as a tool of analysis. By the way, a search of Hadith based on all of these words also include the words Mufrad, Muthanna, Jama', Ma'rifah, Nakirah, and Domir to further expand the search for this prophetic parenting Hadith. Alright, moving to data analysis. For data analysis, I will adopt thematic analysis. Firstly, analyze the approach of Prophet ﷺ towards parenting based on the extracted Hadith. In order to analyze the approach of Prophet ﷺ towards parenting based on the Hadith that have been extracted, the research first identified the prophetic parenting in general by referring the textual meaning of the Hadith through the sum of Sharah Sahih Bukhari. Secondly, examine the meaning of the Hadith by takhrij Hadith from the Sunan Sittah. Next is the process of takhrij from the all compiled Hadith in Sahih Bukhari about prophetic parenting. The process of takhrij Hadith in the Sunan Sittah involves the all extracted Hadith from the Sahih Bukhari. This process of takhrij is important because there are different narration in different chapters. And yeah, as the main purpose of takhrij Hadith is to broaden the meaning of Hadith. Alright, thirdly, the next phase, textual analysis of the meaning of the context of the prophetic parenting in Sahih Bukhari. This research refers to the Kitab Shuruh, the book of Hadith description, such as Fathul Bari, Umdatul Qari, Irshad Sa'ri, and other books related to Hadith. I will do this reading to find out the more detailed meaning of the context of the prophetic parenting Hadith in Sahih Bukhari. And by the way, I'm also using the Atlas TI as a tool of analysis for textual analysis. I can utilize the Atlas TI's text search and reachable function to analyze the content of Hadith text. So I may search for the specific keyword, phrases, or concept within the text, making it easier to identify relevant passages or themes. Lastly, thematic analysis of the prophetic parenting. After understanding the meaning of the Hadith, this study can form the theme of prophetic parenting. The theme that forms from the context of the meaning of the Hadith is what we call inductive thematic methods. Finally, last but not least, the form of this theme may explain and give the textual and contextual meaning and approach to the Hadith related to prophetic parenting. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for your attention, and I'm looking forward to bringing this research design for my final year project FYP next. And thanks for joining me. Have a great day. I'm Syiehab, signing out. Peace. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.